Welcome back to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're not going to be doing a cook, but we are going to be doing a product review. And excuse the dogs if y'all can hear them. But the product review is on, in case you still didn't figure it out, it's on Super Clean. We're going to see what this can do towards cleaning my char-griller Gravity 980. Let's do it. Alright, so before we get started, let me just say I'm not being paid by Super Clean for this. They just sent it to me to do an honest review, and that's what I'm going to do for y'all. So, what did they send me? Of course, they sent the wonderful hat, the nice shirt, and they sent me this foam cleaner. And for this one, I'm going to use this on my heat deflector and see how well that works. And they also sent me the spray bottle, and I'm going to use this on the outside of my char-griller to see how well that cleans. Now it does say, just leave it on there for a few minutes and then clean it. You don't want to just spray it on there and leave it. So that's what we're going to do. Let's make it happen. Okay, so as you can see, I got a little bit of grease and everything that's built up on this little stage right here where you can put your food and stuff while you're working in here. I also have some that's built up on the handle. And on the outside, I'm really just going to use that spray to get this clean. And for my deflector plate, as you can see, I already took the grates out. And it's real caked on right here. So what I'm going to do first before I use that spray, I'm going to take this and I'm going to use this to scrape a lot of this off so that it isn't so caked on. And then I'm going to use that foaming spray in the can and let it sit on there for a few minutes. Use a little brush to scrub it off and then spray it off with some water. Because like I said, they said you don't want to keep it on there. And I'm going to see how well it cleans that deflector plate. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy to work. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to just take some. I'm going to spray it on this shelf. I'm going to get the bar. And I'm going to just take the outside of this and just spray it just to see how well it works. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and I'm going to come back and clean this off. Okay, I've let this sit on here for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just going to take this rag and I'm going to wipe it off and see what happens. All right, all of it actually came off. Let's see about this handle. Now it's good to get the outside as well. All of it came off. So far, so good. Only thing left, we're going to try that deflector plate. Be right back. Okay, so here's the deflector plate. I'm going to go in and spray the foam cleaner on here. It's a little windy now. As you can see, it's already starting to eat away at it. And I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and see what happens. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. I'm just gonna go over it. You can just see it's just all coming off. I'm not even doing this hard, I'm lightly going over it. And of course it said not to let it sit on there, so I'm going to take a hose, just wash it off. Okay, so as you can see, I would say it did a pretty good job. I would say the hype is good. This really works. All right, so that concludes this. As you can see, super clean, does what it says it's gonna do. It got it really clean. Keep in mind the heat deflector, I did scrape off a little bit to get that real thick clumpy stuff off before I sprayed it. But you know, the way it was cutting through it once I started spraying it, it probably wouldn't have made a difference if I would have did that or not. So this stuff is awesome. If you're gonna use it, just remember, you have to clean it off. You don't want to let that stuff sit on there. So, and just read the directions, it's on there for you. So I give it a good A+ for me. I'll be using it again to clean my grills. So thank you, Super Clean, for giving me the opportunity to use your products. And with that, next time you see a video from me, it's gonna be a cook. I'm out. Peace.